Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply effects just on the subject in front, like the person in front of the background. So right click copy, right click paste on your video, simply select effects as well, and then add in the effect that you want to add. And for instance, you don't want it to be applied to the background as well. For instance, this color diamond one. Like that. So you're just going to select both once you've cut out the image here. I forgot you need to actually go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second video. So make sure you do that first. Then you're just going to select both, right click, and then you're going to select create compound clip. And as you can see, the lights behind aren't affected by it because I only applied the effects to the subject in front. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!